guys. Okay, we are going to start where we left off on Friday. We are in part 5, and we did the first slide together where we talked about them flying throughout the Mediterranean, and they had left Crete and they were heading north, right? Going past all of these islands, and trouble started when the boy began to rejoice in bold flight, right? So not good that Icarus was getting a little bit too confident. But we're going to finish part 5, and then we're actually going to go back and do some activities with all of the poem to help you get ready for your reviewing tomorrow. In class tomorrow, we will be reviewing, and you need to be ready to go. Do not wait until the last second to study for this, okay? Because it's you won't be successful. Okay, so getting started, the wax melted. That one, literally, he shook naked arms. That one shook naked arms. And, got a vocab word here, lacking oarage. O-A-R-A-G-E. Oarage, guys, is something that, you know, like oars of a boat, something that allows him to grab hold of the air. Like his wings are gone, and so he can't grasp any air. So, and lacking oarage, okay, he takes hold of not any air. So kind of a double negative there, but you could say like he takes hold of no air. And then things get pathetic. And the mouth shouting the name of the Father is swallowed by blue water. And the mouth shouting the name of his Father is swallowed up in blue water. Okay, so he's like, Dad, 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 as he's falling from the sky. And the mouth shouting the name of the Father is swallowed in blue water, which literally dragged or took its name from that one. Which took its name from that one. Okay, that's the end of our sentence, so let's go back and look at the map here. Remember, Icaria is here, and the area around it is known as the Icarian Sea. Guess what? It was not called Icaria or the Icarian Sea prior to Icarus falling in, right? So it's saying this water now takes its name from that one, the one that fell and died. Okay, new sentence. And the unlucky father, no longer a father, or literally not now a father, said, Icarus! Icarus, he said, where are you? In what place should I look for you? Icarus, he said, where are you? In what place should I look for you? Icarus, he was saying. Side note about imperfect tense. Another way to translate imperfect tense is instead of was verbing, you can say kept verbing. I kind of like that here because I mean, he's repeated Icarus over and over again. So Icarus, he kept saying. He caught sight of wings in the waves. He caught sight of the wings in the waves. And he cursed his art. And buried the body in a grave. And he cursed his arts, and he buried the body in a grave. Okay, and our last part, and the earth having been called by the name of the buried. Again, where are we? Icarium. My handwriting is so good on this. Icarium. And the earth having been called from the name of the buried. Okay? All right. So we're going to go back now and do some activities with the whole story. So I'm going to pause it and then we'll go back to the beginning. So take a moment once you're done writing and go back to the beginning. All right, part 1, Daedalus's plan. Slide number 1. Slide number 2. Part 2, constructing the wings. Slide number 1. Slide number 2. Part 3, Daedalus's warning. Slide number 1. Slide number, no, not slide number 2. Tricky. Star slide. Slide number 2. Part 4, they fly away. Slide number 1. Slide number 2. Part 5, the fall. Slide number 1. Slide number 2 is the map. Slide number 3. Slide number, sorry, that was slide number 2. This is slide number 3.